guys, I have a wonderful question here where it says 2 to the power of 3x plus 2 to the power of x equals 10. So what is the value of x? Now to solve for this question, we need to assume something. Let y is equal to 2 to the power of x. Now why I'm saying that, you'll come to know. Everything I'm going to replace it with y. So here, what do I have? 2 to the power of x is y, so I'll get y cube plus this is y, and this is equal to 10. Breaking 10 this side, what do I have? Y cube plus y minus 10 is equal to 0. Now I just need to factorize it, make it into factors. So I can use product sum rule with what are the factors I can take. Okay, before that I'm gonna split this plus y into two forms. Y cube plus 5y minus 4y minus 10 is equal to 0. Now 5y minus 4y is obviously plus 1y, isn't it? Now I can take this part and this part. From here I can take out y common. So okay, wait, not this part. Let me reshuffle this part. Y cube, I'll bring minus 4y this side and plus 5y this side. Plus 5y minus 10 is equal to 0. Now I'll take this part and this part. Okay, from here I can take it out, y common. So what I'm left with is y squared minus 4. Now I can take out 5 common, so I'm left with y minus 2 is equal to 0. Easy. Okay, now what do we have? So you understood why I reshuffled things and I took out something common. Now this is a square minus b square. I can write it like this: y square minus 2 square plus 5 times y minus 2 is equal to 0. Let me just take this y a square minus b square, I can expand it, so it will be y times y plus 2 times y minus 2. Alright, and then I have the same thing here. 5 times y minus 2 is equal to 0. The next thing what we are going to do here is I'm going to take y minus 2 common from these two. So what will I be left with? If I take y minus 2 common, so I'm left with y times y plus 2 here, right? And here I'm left with plus 5 is equal to 0. Easy, right? So I have y minus 2, and inside what do I have? Y squared plus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. Next, I've got one factor, as you can see, y minus 2. So let me write down the two factors. Sorry, this. Y minus 2 is equal to 0 is one factor, so y is equal to 2 from this. Alright, that's one solution. Another one, let's solve for this quadratic equation. That's y squared plus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. Again, I can use quadratic formula for this one, right? So what is my a? A is 1, b is plus 2, and c is 5. So what will be my discriminant? B squared minus 4ac. Okay, so let's find out. B squared is 2 square, 4 minus 4 times 1 times c is 5. So that's equal to 4 minus 20, and that's negative 16. So it's a negative value which is lesser than 0. It means it doesn't have real roots. No real solutions, complex solutions for this one, this part. So the main thing what we got here is the value of 2. Let's check, verify if that value is true. Let's put it in our question back. So if I put x if I put that 2 back, here I got y is equal to 2, right? But y is equal to 2 to the power of x. That's what we substituted from above. So what will be our 2 to the power of x is equal to 2. So the power is 1 here. Equating the powers, we get x is equal to 1. Y is 2 and x is 1. So that's the solution what we got for x. X is equal to 1. Now let's check if that's true, if that satisfies this equation or not. So let us put it in this. 2 to the power of 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 10, isn't it? Now that's just to check, okay? To check. So here we have 2 cubed, that's 8 plus 2, which is equal to 10. So that's true, and that's your solution, real solution for this question. Thank you so much guys for joining. Bye bye.